blanks. If x square equals to 27 raised to 2 by 3 into 16 raised to minus 3 by 2, then x equals to, here, let's solve this first. X square equals to what? 27 raised to 2 by 3. Bring this 1 by 3 inside. So it becomes 27 raised to 1 by 3, the whole square, minus this 16 raised to minus 3 by 2. So it becomes 1 upon 16 raised to 3 by 2. Now solve this. 27 raised to 1 by 3 means cube root of 27. That is 3. So 3 square into this is square root of 16, because this 2 goes as a root sign. So square root of 1 and square root of 16. It becomes 1 upon 4, the whole cube. So 3 square is 9, 4 cube is 64. So x square equals to 9 upon 64. So x will be equals to what? Square root of 9 by 64. So it is plus or minus 3 upon 8. In exam, if the answer is in plus or minus 3 upon 8, tick that. If it is only 3 by 8, tick 3 by 8. Okay. Next, if AB equals to 1, then 1 upon a raised to minus 1, 1 plus a raised to minus 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus b raised to minus 1 equals to how much? So let's solve this. 1 upon 1 plus a raised to minus 1 means it becomes 1 upon a. This 1 of b raised to minus 1 means it becomes 1 upon b. So just solve them. A plus 1 upon a, 1 upon a plus 1 upon a, plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon b. So what is this now? Or else I'll tell you, x upon y upon z equals to xz upon y. It's always z goes up, so this a will go up and multiplied by 1. So it becomes a upon a plus b upon b plus 1. A upon a plus 1 plus b upon b plus 1. So again solve this, cross multiply. A into b plus 1 plus b into a plus 1, the whole upon a plus 1 into b plus 1. So ab plus a plus ab plus b, the whole upon this. Solve this bracket also. A into b plus 1 plus 1 into b plus 1 at the denominator bracket, right? So what it becomes? AB plus a plus ab plus b, but ab is given as 1. So 1 plus a plus 1 plus b. In the denominator then, ab plus a plus b plus 1. But ab is 1 again. So it becomes in denominator also a plus b plus 2. So both numerator and denominator are same. That's why it becomes 1. That is the answer. Next, if x equals to 8 raised to 2 by 3 into 32 raised to minus 2 by 5, then x raised to minus 5 equals to, okay, solve this first. So 8 raised to 2 by 3 means this is cube root of 8, the whole square, right? 3 comes over here, but cube root of 8 is what? 2. So 2 square into this 32 raised to 1 by 5, that is 2. So 2 raised to minus 2. So it becomes 2 raised to, now bases same, indices can be added. So 2 raised to 2 minus 2, right? 2 here and minus 2 here. So 0, 2 raised to 0, that is 1.